So good morning guys, look what I've got to show you today. This is a beautiful Clasico. It has off-road parking and it has a pedestrian gate. It's on quite a wide road. We are on Camposol C sector. It is an urbanisation on the Costa.Calida near the port of Mathron, so you're 20 minutes from beaches and you're about 30 minutes from the local airport, Covera, which is Murcia International. So let's go in and have a look around this beautiful home. You have the gate here, which is very ornate, and you have got a section there that has got room for a pool quite easily, and you're off-road driving. All right, nice sheltered area there. The sun's coming over here first thing in the morning. It's just after 9 o'clock. So if you did decide to put a pool there, the sun will be on the pool all day. All right. And I'll just show you, because next door, we'll have a sneak peek. Next door's got a pool. So just if you think that you couldn't put one in, you could. Okay. So it's all planted with established flowers and shrubs. Really lovely. And you got your raised walls for privacy here as well. So, without further ado, let me take you in here. So you've got about 5-6 steps up to the property. Got a nice decorative balustrade, and those lights twinkle at night in the dark. Looks really effective. So just here you got your wrecker. You got wreckers on the windows and blackout blinds, as you can see. And they are insect blinds, so any insects can't come into your house. So you can actually leave the door open and just close this off and nothing can come through. Okay, very decorative. So this property has dual aspect windows, front and to the side. It also has a log burner fire there. Keep this place nice and cozy in the winter. I'm just going to shut the door behind me and just show you around this house. Okay. So I'll come over here, the top end of the room. Just take the room at a different angle. You've got some lovely views across there, and you've got mountain views as well. So I'm going to go through the archway. We go into what I call the master bedroom. Okay. I have 2 single beds in here. Generally, this is the largest room in the Clasico, although the bedrooms in the Clasico are very generous. Okay. Just above, you got your ceiling light and fan, and you have aircon. Over here, you've got integrated wardrobe with overhead storage. And if I just come up the other end of the room, just to give you an idea of the amount of space that you got here. You've also got your TV sockets and plug sockets there as extra. All right, so I'm going to bring you into the bathroom now. Shut the door behind me. So in the bathroom, you've got a frosted glass window. It's fully tiled from ceiling to floor. You've got your bath, and you have a rain head shower unit put in here. You've got your bifolding frosted shower screen. You also got a WC and a sink in the vanity unit. And just there you have got a bidet. They're good size rooms. You've got your mirror with your lights. You've got your shaving socket there. And you've got a little towel rail. Okay, so that's your bathroom. I'm going to take you in now to the guest room, which they've was turned into the master bedroom, and I can see why. Oh my goodness, they have put patio doors on the other side where the window usually is. That is such a fantastic idea. So, as you can see, you can get a double bed in here or 2 singles. Just above, you got your ceiling light and fan, and again you got your aircon. So if I walk over here, just pull the curtains to show you. So that goes out onto the back garden there. Okay, it opens up, patio doors, lovely. And you got your insect screens, so you can have these doors open, get the lovely warm summer breezes through, no problem at all. And just there you got your integrated wardrobe with your overhead storage. Okay, so let me take you through. Nice glimpse of this living room again. And in here is your kitchen. Your kitchen has top and base units. It has a gas hob, electric oven, your sink and drainer, and over on the other side, plenty of worktop space, more base and top cupboards. And it's ideal for a permanent or holiday home. Okay. You've got a frosted door and windows, and just through here, this brings us out into the garden area. So we've just come out of the kitchen. You have got understairs storage there, and it's literally the width of the staircase. You have your gas boiler just there, and you have this lovely terrace where you can enjoy your breakfast in the morning. Fresh orange juice, Spanish breakfast tostada, and you've got your double doors there from the bedroom, of course. I'm just going to pan down around here just to give you a view from a different angle. Got lovely lights and outside lights over the doorways, and again a lovely balustrade. So I'm going to take you upstairs, guys. I'll see you at the top of the stairs, and we'll have a look at the rooftop solarium. So I just got my breath back as I've come up the stairs, and I'm just on the other side of this rooftop solarium, and the views are beautiful, absolutely stunning. Lovely views of the mountain. You could of course put some of that green grass down here, that false grass. You could also put a hot tub up here if you wanted to, but if you wanted to put a pool in the garden down below, you wouldn't need a hot tub up here really, would you? But you could put a pergola up here, have a bar, whatever you wanted. Just showing you just there, you have storage, and you have storage just there as well. So that's for all your cushions or your little chairs. Just show you the views around here. Absolutely stunning, as you can see. So no one's really overlooking you here. This is a great area. Now I just want to tell you a little bit about Camposol. You are 30 minutes, like I said, from the airport. And you're about an hour's drive from the big major city with the big shopping malls. And we have got Lazina shopping, we got Cartagena shopping. We can get Zara and C&A and all those big shops up there. Okay, you're an ideal location here. You're 20 minutes from the beaches, and you don't even need to leave Camposol itself, because we got everything on Camposol. Hospital, doctors, vets, bars, chiropodists, opticians, you name it, we got it. The only reason you need to leave here is to go to the beach. So I've come back down on the terrace here, and as you can see, lovely decorative balustrade, and I'm going to bring you around the garden now. So you've got one step down, it's all laid to decorative stone. You've got a beautiful pineapple tree there. Not sure if that's what it's called, but it does look like a pineapple tree. Plenty of established plants and shrubs down here. And you've got oranges for your breakfast. How's that? You could get fresh orange juice in the morning. You've also got a log storage there. And I'm just going to bring you around. And you got lemons for your ice and a slice. So your glass of tonic, you know. Morning. And this is your driveway. You could put 2 cars in here. 2 small cars quite easily. And then we're back around to the front of this beautiful property. Just show you this side again. Absolutely lovely. You've got a lovely olive tree there, some bougainvillea, lovely plants, pineapple trees, and of course your orange and lemon. So if you're interested in this property, do contact Dawn, info@tolettoseltobuy.com. And don't forget to check out our website. Also, it's getting very hot here, so if you want to buy me a coffee, you can. I can buy some water as I'm doing all these videos. So, until the next time, take care guys, and I see you again.